Hey guys, Courtney with Perfect Image here to continue showing you how to properly and safely peel at home. In the previous video, I demonstrated how to properly clean and prep your skin for the peel. In this video, I am now going to show you how to apply the peel. Make sure your face is cleansed and completely dry. I'm going to be using our Level 1 Pineapple Pumpkin Enzyme Peel. All of the peels are used in a similar approach, so you can use this as a reference for the other peels as well. My skin is cleansed and fully dry. You do have the option to use an alcohol wipe to degrease the skin, but it's really important that you do not use an alcohol wipe if you think you have sensitive skin or even mildly sensitive skin, as alcohol can irritate your skin more so, especially in combination with the peel. Since I have sensitive skin, I will be skipping that step. One of the most important things to keep in mind when applying a chemical peel is contact time. Contact time is how long the peel is left on the skin. You can use one of our application brushes or one of our pads to apply the peel. If you're going to use our 8-inch application brush, then I recommend putting the peel in a clean small bowl. Today, I will be using a brush to apply the peel. Start off by dispensing half a dropper to a full dropper on the pad or in a clean small bowl. When applying the peel, I always recommend starting at the forehead first, then applying to the cheeks, chin, nose, and the area around your mouth will be applied last. When applying the peel, you're going to apply this on the skin in a circular motion if you're using a pad. If you're using a brush, just apply it in one swift motion. Keep in mind when applying, you don't want to overlap the peel and be mindful of where you apply it. Stay away from sensitive areas such as too close to the eyes or too close to the mouth. Now, this isn't my first time using this peel, so I am going to leave it on for about 1 minute, and I will apply a layer afterwards. If it's your first time using one of our peels, I recommend starting off with an initial contact time of 45 seconds or less to start. If you have sensitive skin, then start with 30 seconds or less. During this time, I'm also going to demonstrate layering the peel. We do not recommend layering on the first time using our peels, and only layering if you have had zero complications or reactions when using the peels prior. To layer, you will apply one layer of the peel, which I have already done. Wait about 1 minute and then put another layer directly on top without rinsing the first layer off. Wait another 1 to 2 minutes after and then completely rinse off with cooler water until all activity has subsided. So now I'm going to completely neutralize the peel by rinsing off generously with cooler water. I generally rinse for a good 1 or 2 minutes until all activity has subsided. Then pat my skin dry with a clean towel. You can apply up to 3 or 4 layers if your skin allows and if you have not had any complications with less layers. But keep in mind the peel will intensify on the skin with each layer and becomes riskier. I would recommend not leaving it on the skin longer than 5 minutes total and do not exceed 5 layers. So that concludes today's video on how to properly apply a chemical peel at home. Check out our final video on what to do post-peel. See you guys then.